Hi, my name is Pradyun Kotcherelakota, and I am the creator of AllergyAway. AllergyAway is an app that helps people with dietary restrictions easily identify which foods are safe to eat. This app is intended for everyone, but primarily towards people with certain food allergies or dietary restrictions such as meat, nuts, eggs, and so on. The program can also be used as a way to check if a product simply contains a food one doesn't like. To create this app, I used a variety of different softwares for a variety of purposes. For the actual coding of the app, I used the Flutter language, which is based on the Dart language, and Visual Studio Code was used as the IDE, or the Integrated Development Environment. To capture and store the allergies inputted by the user, I used Google's Firebase. Specifically, I used the Cloud Firestore feature so the user can see all of their data in one place. In order for the app to properly function on iOS devices, I used Apple's Xcode, which provides a simulator for me to check whether or not the Apple functions work. I used the Open Food Facts API to check that the scanned product is being relayed correctly. Here is a demonstration of the app and its functions. Thank you. The app welcomes the user with a login screen. The user can either log in or register to their account depending on whether or not they are a new or returning user. The user can register with just an email or a password, or by using their Google account for easier accessibility. Once the user is logged in, a welcome message is printed along with a prompt for the user to input whatever dietary restrictions they have. Dietary restrictions can include any specific food items or food categories. Once these are entered, the data is immediately sent to the Firebase Cloud database, where the data is captured and stored, as you can see here. Following this, the program prompts the user to scan the barcode of whichever product needs to be checked. Once the user scans the barcode successfully, the program grabs data from the Open Food Facts API and cross-checks the ingredients of the item with the inputs from the user and outputs whether the product contains anything the user is allergic to. In this case, the product contains milk, which the user has reported as an allergy. If the user desires to scan another product, they can simply go back to their allergy page and change or tweak anything if necessary. Then they click Submit Data and the barcode page is prompted again. The user scans another barcode of whichever item they need to scan, and after the barcode has been successfully scanned, if the product contains nothing the user is allergic to, the program simply prints this food is safe to eat. This application is greatly beneficial and reduces the hassle for people who have dietary restrictions so they can directly use the application instead of reading the ingredients for every meal or food they purchase. This app can also be beneficial towards senior citizens who most likely follow a doctor's diet. Using this application can help them easily identify if the food they purchase contains anything they cannot eat and therefore they can avoid. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you find my application well. Have a great day.